Hello guys, well today we're not gonna do something really special, we're just gonna be trading in here. Well, it's so simple. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Well, let's find someone to trade with. First of all, who are you gonna trade with today? We need to get a good volunteer. Hmm. Let's see what this Master Gaming guy has. Master Gaming. He is okay then. Okay then, Master Gaming should be somewhere low. Hmm. There he is. Okay, Master Gaming, let's see what you got. Let's go all the way up. All the way up. All the way up. It's not something that grabs my attention. No, I'll say no. Doesn't have something that grabs my attention. Well, okay, let's look for someone else who really is rich. Let's say, nah. Well, wait, what? There's no one. Corrupted. Yeah, let's check on corrupted. Corrupted speech, corrupted speech. There he is. By the way, guys, I don't have much like rep because I have some rare that I sold for rep. No, like I don't the rep, but I gave the rep for some bunch of rares. So let's say we want, yeah, okay, yeah. I'll take a backpack and give him. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Something worth backpack, not something so like overpriced or so low. What's Dominus Argentum worth? Let's see. Dominus Argentum. Let's look at that. Okay, let's look up Dominus Argentum. Where is it? Dominus. See Argentum in here. Dominus Argentum. But where is that? I think it's here. No, oh yeah, I forgot, it's here. Okay, so Dominus Argentum, Dominus Argentum. Finally, it's 1.2 billion, it's so bad. Well, okay, I'll give it to him. And what is backpack worth? Backpack is like, let's look up. Backpack. Backpack is 2 3 billion, so it should be a good trade. Let's send that. Well, let's find some other peeps. What you got? Right. Now, okay, let's see what's in the marketplace. I have this for 10 trillion. What else? And, what are some good items? I'll really buy that for the record. Why not? Oh my god, wait. I'm not selling diamond speed coil. Yeah, I'll take that for sure. And one zombie grandpa for 350 billion. I'm really, really desperate to buy that. That's my item. I'm selling this thing for literally, like, I think, I don't even know the price. Okay, so what else? This is got a diamond speed coil, which is good. And let's buy grandpa, I mean, why not? No, I don't want to. I sold it for such a cheap price, like, what dumbass idiot. Well, I sold it for 30 billion, but yeah, no, I'm not taking it. 11 billion dual dark cards, yeah, I'll take that. What we have? Someone add stuff, please. Yeah. I'm so tempted to buy that. No, they don't have so less. Yeah, only have 400 billion, so I'm not risking it. Nope. I already have one, so no. What? Someone bought speed coin for. We had two or what? Because I'm not about to get scammed over there. Yeah, I got them. Two of them. never mind, bro. He doesn't understand. Yeah, let's see what's up. Anything else? Any good items? No, people just keep selling gravity and all this boring ass stuff. Okay, inventory. I got the okay gear. No gear. Okay, I got diamond speed coil finally. Wait, diamond speed coil is actually worth a lot. 9 billion. That's a good price for it. Well, alright. Let's see what else can we get. So far, I got a good item. Now I have that. Okay, in the meantime, let's keep looking at some people and let's send them trades. Inventory. What's up? What's up? Yeah, Spooky Luminous, which I already have. Headless Horseman, which I think I bought that. Wait, no, I didn't. Oh my god, I thought I bought it. Okay, wait, what's this? Ugh. Ugh. Oh my it's terrible. No, I said it's terrible. Why am I still wearing? Okay, let's look. I sell dual gravity coil. Yeah, okay, let's see. Oh my god, I'm by that. Purple Domino of Winds sold. Yeet, let's see. I got Purple Domino of Winds. Did I get it? Oh my god, wait, this guy's dumb. I just hope that. Okay, let's look at it. Let's look at it. Purple Domino of Winds. Oh my god, it's so. Well, Purple Domino of Winds is 10 to 20 billion. Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. It's not like that bad of a price, but okay. This guy actually sent me the worst trade ever. Hold on. Well, let's keep looking at the marketplace. They sell some pretty good stuff there. Alright. I sold this for 500 billion. I don't know if it's good or bad. But I don't know about the value of this item. It's not really in the value list. Well, let's keep looking, I guess. Why are people selling shit stuff? I'm gonna remove this thing from the shop. I don't know why I sold it for that price. It's so ridiculous. I don't know what to speak. Yeah, I removed that finally, so people won't bother. Cause I'm starting to get it. Alright. What's your retail terror? Oh my god. So the for like let's say 300 gold. So that's a good price actually. Let's see if he says yes or no. Um, yes or no. Yes, the OWT. Is he gonna say yes or no? Sell them. I'm gonna keep following the market. That's a lot. That's a lot, bro. That's a lot. No, it's actually worth 100 billion. I'm taking it from him. Well, okay. You giving it for let's see. Okay. Hashtag is nice stuff, but oh my. Oh, it's really, bro. These people are going crazy with the prices now. Okay, let's actually send him a trade. His username is extremely weird. Okay, legible. What's up, Legio? Where is it? Where's the I don't even know how to pronounce it. Wolverine's Dominus of Terror. Where's he? But he doesn't even have that thing. Uh, okay, then I'm just gonna send it to it anyways. For let's no. Okay, he has the over assist Hernando. Let's take that, and let's just say I'm gonna give him November turkey chicken. Nah, it's way too good. Uh, yeah, I don't need that. Then have something. Let's use up. Oh, gosh. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's see. Let's take a good look. Take it that. Take it. What else? People are selling good stuff finally. I don't buy the Halloween hat, but it's not that good. No. Wait, I buy this. Dominus Christmas. No. That's the one I bill I can buy it. Well, hold on. I'll buy a hat. Okay, well, people are getting some good overs now. I don't care about that guy. I want to buy that, but no, I don't want to buy it. I have one. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy it. Okay, this, no, no. Oh my god. I'm just looking forward to collect Dominuses, which I got one now. Yeah, I think I did get one now. So yeah, I'll buy that too, because why not? What else? What else can we find? Let's see the Dominus I have now. I have a pretty decent amount, okay. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot of Dominuses. That's a lot. I'll tell you that. That's a lot of Dominus. Okay, now let's keep looking at the market. Oh no, Sparkle Time Valkyrie. How much is that worth? Sparkle Time Valkyrie. It's mythic. Okay, Sparkle Time Valkyrie. Let's look for that. Sparkle Time Valkyrie. So even there. Yeah, it is Sparkle Time Valkyrie. It's 6 billion. Okay. How much is the Halloween hat? Let's look for that. Halloween hat. Halloween hat. Oh no, it's done. Halloween. Halloween. Halloween skater hat. Yeah, it's like 5 billion or something. I'm getting some pretty good deals over here, man. 4 billion, it's a good deal. So when it's hell, nope, I have that. I don't have that one. What can people offer me simply for like? Dun, 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 dun. I sound like to this whatever guy yells into for him. Where's the last? Okay, let's see. Um, Pink Floyd, we know. I guess it doesn't have something. Alright, well guys, that's it for today, and see you next time. My username is obvious. It is Jax_76. I'll find it. This is my username. This right here is my username. It's Jax_76. And see you next time. This was a good time. Cheese, and see you later.